were stretching in the sun. T-shirt hanging off your shoulder.
Sa aking pinakamamahal na Wendell, sa totoo lang, hindi ko na maalala yung first encounter natin. Unlike sa iba, wala tayong storyline tulad ng mga K-drama.
Alam natin dalawa na hindi love at first sight ang simula natin.
Naaalala ko lang yung pants mo na lagi kong sinisita.
Sabi ko sa'yo, naasar mo kong baduy lagi eh.
It's gonna be a good day. No matter what comes my way, I'll be walking on sunshine. And it feels so right. Gonna have a good time. Nothing's gonna break my stride.
Na-realize ko na hindi ko kailangan ng perfect partner. Kailangan ko yung kabardagulan na hindi ako iiwan at ikaw yun.
We were sitting by the pool, cloud of sweating in the sunlight. I was trying to keep it cool. I talk but nothing's coming out right. Then you told me I was your type. It's gonna be a good day. No matter what comes my way, I'll be walking on sunshine. And it feels so right. Gonna have a good time. Nothing's gonna break my stride. I'll be walking on sunshine. And it feels so right.
Cheers! Uy! May gift!
Alam mo, saan galing yan? Galing sa bulsa
Uy!
ni Raymond Teatro.
Oh, hi, love. Happy wedding day. Ito yung napili kong gift kasi naalala ko before nung nakita mo sa store. Nagagandahan na kaso sabi mo, hindi mo magagamit everyday. Hope you like it. I can't wait to see you sa aisle na suot to. Love you. Uy! Uy!
Visions of gold, come alive in the underglow. Watching the dawn break before us.
Thank you.
And I fall by your side, near the tree. Close to you, all I see. Hard under arrest when you're interested in my color.
Pero habang tumatagal ang asaran natin, doon ko na-realize na sa likod ng mga biro mo, doon ko nahanap ang totoong ako. Kahit gaano mo ako asarin tungkol sa buhok ko, ikaw lang ang nakakapagparamdam sa akin na sobrang gwapo ko. GGSS!
Start tayo as friends until one day, na-realize ko na halos everyday na pala kitang nakakausap. Kasi ayun ka eh, mabait, friendly, mula't simula, you have been a friend that I share my hobbies with. A safe space, and the kindest among everyone. Kaya siguro ganun lang din kadali sa akin na mapamahal sa'yo. Wow! Hi, Alisa. I chose this simple gift so you can wear it every day as a daily reminder that our hearts are always connected through every joy and challenge of our married life. Wow! Ay, dalawa! Taray! May pa-surprise. Ang cute!
Like a fairy tale unknown, we came with our hearts in tow. It's a story written long ago.
Nangangako ako sa iyo na I will be your forever partner. Asahan mo sa bawat tawa at kahit sa bawat luha, hinding-hindi ko bibitawan ang kamay mo. Di tulad ng buhok kong unting-unti nang nawawala. I love you, Liza.
Luminescence, I see the light in you. Miracle in all things you do. And you shine with a unique you. I've got the world by the tail, and you hum. I've got the world by the tail, and you hum.
Wendell Yuminaw is the one.